So another simple way of running Windows in GALT mode, of with GALT mode. There actually was an old tweak that was called Windows GALT mode, and it added some stuff in your right-click menu. But running stuff as system also works pretty well to remove stuff that will crash your system. So, and if you use Process Hacker as your process manager over the default task manager, which has become a rather resource heavy program in my opinion. When task manager hangs, 9 chances out of 10 Process Hacker still works, and it has some other pretty nifty features like disk access, whatever. But one of them is run as, and I already have it selected here, but you have to select service. Here you have to select anti-authority system, and you can select whatever program or script you want to run as system. As you take Explorer++, which is a simple binary that also runs in Windows recovery modes, by the way, because it's not dependent on any .NET or whatever. It's self-contained. So we're already in C program files, and we got Windows Media Player. Let's try and shift delete that thing. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this? Yes, I'm sure. And it's gone. So that works as system. But if you run, let's say, run as, and you run, it says anti-authority system, which is even higher level security than or higher level privilege than Trusted Installer is. So I guess that's it.